Hello, my name is Shanika, and I be the fortune teller, man. You know why? Because I tell the fortune. So come, my child, and I will tell you all about your fortune. Hello.
If I knew I was gonna have my 15 minutes of fame, I would have went to go get my hair done. It's atrocious.
It sure is.
I don't care. I just love being on TV.
So, hello. What is your name?
My name.
And who would like to get that fortune taken?
I like to get my little daughter for the hair.
What?
Because I want to know if she be able to move.
Okay. Oh, she's paralyzed?
Don't even talk loud.
Yeah.
She's paralyzed?
Yeah.
Oh, well, what is your name, man?
My name is Dorleen.
Dorothy?
Yes.
Now, Dora, before I get... Now, okay, wait. That's why I'm not seeing anything. Now, before we get started, let me bless you. Sorry.
What's that for?
God bless you, Mom.
Glass sauce and mustard.
Now, I'm not your glasses. I see something. I see somebody in this room.
Talk loud.
I see somebody in this room. Not, but it's not near her. It's very stuck up in the freeloader.
This is not good. You stuck up.
Don't talk about my camera lady! She's been with me for my whole life.
Forever.
So,
It's forever, man.
Miss, look up. I see that you're from Ireland? No? Scotland? No? Jamaica! Yeah, Jamaica. Hey, Jamaican Queens, man. Yes.
Wait. That could be right because I'm from Puerto Rico. You know, it's Mexicans and stuff and Puerto Ricans, you know.
No. Ben, if you don't like this, we'll use my cards.
That is wrong.
Pick a card. The cards tell my future. No looking at the cards. Now we have the backlight all around the world, to Scotland, to Ireland, to Africa, to Wisconsin, to everywhere. Pick it a gun. Oh, this card is great. Oh, me. Oh, these cards tell a story, Mom. It says, no, is what this card stands for, Mom.
Card.
C is what this card stands for. Want. She will never talk, Mom. curiosity, man. Let's see the code that's messed up by your hands and eyes. Wait, in the right order. In the right order, these cards say. She's not your daughter, man.